Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify an Alipay account without an international passport. First, let's understand the situation. Normally, Alipay asks users to verify their identity for security reasons. Many people think a passport is the only option, but that's not really true. Before we start, make sure you have an Alipay app installed and a stable internet connection with valid local ID depending on your country. Open the Alipay app on your phone and log into your account. Next, tap on the Me or Profile at the bottom of the screen, then select Account Security or Identity Verification. At this stage, Alipay may show different ID options based on your reason. If you don't have an international passport, look for the option like National ID, Residence ID, Local Government Issued ID. Select the option that applies to you. Next, enter your personal details exactly as shown on your ID. This includes your full name, ID number and date of birth. After that, Alipay may ask you to upload photo of your ID. Make sure the photo are clear, well lit and not blurry. Once everything is submitted, tap confirm and wait. Verification usually takes few minutes, but in some cases it may take up to 24 hours. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.